So for this product, I'm gonna switch the dimension of my phone to landscape so we can really see what we are working with. This is the second time I'm buying a product from this brand. It's called Cecotec. And what I noticed about the brand is that the aesthetic is very clean. The colors are so cool, so nice. It's very lightweight, which is something that I was worried about from the beginning, since this was the first product that I bought from this brand. But I've been using this microwave for over 6 months now, and it's so cool. It's so clean. It's so easy to clean the inside. If oil spills here, you can see that it's ceramic and it's so easy to clean. This is one of the best features of this microwave. And the second best feature is the fact that the heat is coming from up, bottom, and both sides. So the food easily gets heated up, which is something that I'll be demonstrating in a really short while from now. You can see that this is my food. It's not yet properly heated. You don't see any steam coming from there. So I'm just gonna quickly put in my food there, and I'm gonna close it with the microwave pan, and then I'll switch it on. You can see the minutes that I put it on. It's like maybe like 3 minutes or 2 minutes and a half, and I will quickly make sure that I take that out. So I wanted you to have a view of how it looks like from the inside, or from outside how the inside looks like when it's heating up. And yeah, so it takes like a really short time for the food to get heated up, and then we see that from the 2 minutes something just a while back, like a few seconds back, and we're already almost at 1-0. And another thing, I would say the only negative thing that I don't like about this brand is the fact that it's quite loud. I have 2 products from this brand right now, and the other one is also very loud. That's one negative thing about the brand. And the fact that it's quite light could be very worrisome from the beginning, especially when you're very used to like heavy microwaves. But now I'm no longer afraid of this lightweight attribute, and I quite like it though. It's very clean, and the aesthetic is so good, like I mentioned earlier, and I really love this. So I'm just since it's taking a little bit more time, but we see that it's already almost at 0, I'll just switch it off, and I want to show you my food. Already we see that it's quite heated up. You can see there's a lot of steam coming from here, which proves that the food is quite hot already. And this is what I really love about this microwave. It's so easy to use, it's easy to clean, it's lightweight, it looks beautiful in your kitchen space, and yeah,